Traveling the world is amazing, but a backpack full of bulky, unreliable power adapters is not. Most adapters today use a flimsy sliding mechanism and are constantly breaking or falling out of sockets, leaving your devices dead when you need them most. This is why we created the World Travel Adapter Kit. It comes complete with 2 US sockets, 2 USB ports, and a micro USB cable. So you can charge up to 5 devices at once off a single outlet. Forget spreading your electronics around an entire hotel room. One and done. What's best, this system is entirely grounded, surge protected, and equipped with a voltage indicator so you can charge your valuable electronics worry-free. With 5 included detachable backs, this adapter is compatible in over 200 countries around the world. Buy Ceptics adapters today in the comfort of over 140,000 positive reviews and 1 million total travel adapters sold worldwide. Traveling abroad? Think Ceptics.